This is the machine that cuts the Tornado 2 timer head. The timer head is actually a fairly complex part. It has many features that have to be done on the front and on the back. You've got your ramp, and this is what sets the timing. When you put the pin in and click it around, that's the little clicks that you're feeling. Then we've got the screw holes to attach it onto the grenade. And then in the back, we've got some complicated boring operations that allow it to do its timing job. This is the machine that runs it. It's a multi-axis machine with sub-spindle and main spindle, plus it's got live tools on the turret. So this guy runs 24 hours a day to make these parts. Screw holes to attach it.